Imagine this, you're in your favorite coffee shop, sipping that delicious latte, and money just rolled in. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. Making money online is all about leveraging your skill, letting your creativity flow, and a sprinkle of tech magic. Hey there, everyone. Today, we are about to uncover some secrets of making money online. Whether you're a digital nomad, a stay-at-home parent, or a student looking to earn some extra cash, the online world has a spot for you at the money-making table. But hey, let's take it step by step. We are going to break down what making money online is all about and how you can dive right in. It's like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients and a good recipe. But trust me, everyone can do it. Making money online involves leveraging the power of the internet and various digital platforms to generate revenue. This can encompass a broad spectrum of activities, including but not limited to content creation, freelancing, e-commerce, online courses and consulting, investing and trading, app and software development. Here is a step-by-step guide to start your journey in making money online. Identify your strengths and interests, educate yourself, choose the right platform, create quality content, network and collaborate, monetize wisely, analyze and adapt, stay persistent and patient. Now let's talk Turkey. There are several fantastic ways you can kickstart your journey into making money online. And here are 5 fantastic ones. 1. Blogging. Blogging is like having your own corner of the internet where you can share your thoughts, expertise, and passions with the world. It is not just about writing, it's about connecting with a community that values what you have to say. With platforms like WordPress, Blogger, and Medium, you can easily set up your blog and start creating content that resonates with your audience. Whether you're into travel, fashion, tech, or food, there is an audience out there eager to read what you have to share. 2. Freelance work. Freelancing is all about turning your skill into a business. If you excel in graphic design, writing, programming, or any other skill, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a stage to showcase your ability and connect with clients seeking your expertise. It is about being your own boss, setting your rates, and choosing projects that excite you. As a freelancer, you can work from anywhere in the world and build a thriving career based on your passion and skills. 3. Affiliate marketing. It's all about recommending products to people around you. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital influencer, but without the need for millions of followers. You get to promote products or services you genuinely love, and when someone buys through your referral link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareAsale, JVZoo, ClickBank, Commission Junction offers various products to choose from. It's all about building trust with your audience and providing them with valuable insights, helping them make a informed decision while you earn a passive income. 4. Selling ebooks on Amazon. Ever dreamt of being a published author? Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) allows you to share your expertise, creativity, or stories with readers worldwide. You can write and publish your ebooks, set your prices, and earn royalties on every sale. It's an incredible opportunity to share your knowledge, passion, and imagination with readers while generating a steady stream of income. 5. Ghostwriting. Ghostwriting is an art of storytelling and expertise without the need for the limelight. If you have a way with words, you can craft compelling content for others without taking credit. Platforms like Upwork and specialized ghostwriting websites connect ghostwriters with clients looking for well-crafted pieces. It's about using your writing skills to help others convey their ideas and stories to the world while earning a living doing what you love. There you have it. The world of online opportunities awaits. Explore, dive in, and remember, your online making money adventure starts now.